Alrighty guys, I just came out here to show you guys this thing. So this storm is moving it's moving that way. Not towards us though. Holy cow, it's really bright out here. Just look at that thing. Thing is humongous. It's still growing in strength and in size. Let me go to screen recording real quick and I'll show you what storm it is. As I'm back, we're back and looking at the storm, or at the cell. It's not really moving particularly fast. It's only moving at 17 knots a second. I've noticed in my videos that I start talking in a sentence and then I'll bring my voice down because I'm talking. But I need to start keeping this and that and a motivational like a good talking voice. But yeah, just look at that thing. That thing is awesome, man. Look how big that thing is. It's all the way around. Thank you for Nathan subscribing about 3 or 4 hours ago. I want to get him out. I think it's Nathan's Storm Chasing. I'm not really sure about that, what it is, but it might be. I'm not for sure. But go check out it. I'll link it in the description. I'll try to link it in the description of this video. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching this little short video of this. See you guys here in a little while. See what happens to the storm. Bye. Guys, so that storm didn't really do much. It moved on that way. Look at that plane up there. I think he's zooming. But yeah, it's gone that way. But yeah, nothing's really happened much. Nothing's really gonna happen tonight. If something does happen, I'll wake up in the middle of the night and I will record it for you guys and then I'll make it all into one video. I'll make it all into one video. But yeah, there's nothing really gonna happen tonight, according to my radar. That thing is moving slightly. But that's not really anything. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. This is my 3rd video today so far. So I think it's done pretty good. See you guys in the next one. Bye. So there is a massive hook echo coming towards our area, and this is like dangerous stuff. Like, I'm being serious. This stuff can get dangerous. I'll go to screen recording. Alrighty, guys. So this is where I'm at. I'm right here. I'm right here. And look at this. Look at this. This is this part where I'm looking at. This is going to be turning into a tiny tornado, if anything, but it's still a tornado, which is awesome. This is the closest I've ever been to a tornado. Not really. I've been closer to a tornado in my life, which the tornado was like down here near the earth. No, it was down here. But that can turn into something. Holy cow. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh, dude. Holy cow. God bless America. Dude, this could get dangerous. Like, I should probably be inside, but it's getting pretty bad out here. It's, like, dark, but it's thundery and lightning. I'm gonna go back to normal recording. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Here's that storm I'm talking about. I'll go out here just once before it starts getting bad. Lord God, please don't let me... See, that's the main part of it. That's it. Like, it's not... Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. So it's all that way. It's all that way. But it's coming this way. Holy cow. Oh, here we go. We're about to get a good one. Come on. Just do it for me. All right. Holy cow, we have a freaking like tornado looking thing coming towards us. I'll see you guys here in a minute. Bye. It's time to head home. We're all right. Huh?
Get in the car.
Get in there, Baxter. Don't say that, Mom. I'm recording. I'm trying to stay monetized here.
Well, don't record me.
No, well, I'm kind of have to if I want to do this stuff.
Not really.
Dude, look at all that. That's awesome, dude. Like, I'm getting all of this on video.
What the heck is monetizing?
Like, like if you say something that's inappropriate, like a profanity, thing inappropriate, well, they'll take down my video because of it. My door is open because I'm recording this, but
Yeah, well, we'll get back onto the driveway.
this stuff is awesome.
Bailey can get in the car if she gets back.
Oh my gosh, this is a highly electric storm. Oh my gosh, dude, this is awesome. Holy cow. Come on, Haley. Run. Gosh, dude, every single bit of this is on camera. That's why I need to get a GoPro so I can like take all this stuff down in detail. Well, yeah, it's an electrical thunderstorm, Haley. What do you think is gonna happen? This is like
the door, guys.
Fine. Good one. Come on, just give me one more good one. Come on, give me one more good one. Come on. Come on. Come on, there we go. Oh my goodness, man. This is awesome.
I hope we have electricity when we get home.
We will.
Oh, that was a good one.
Well, I'm over here, so it's not on video.
Ooh, you should be looking out this window.
Holy.
Oh yeah, because that's facing the storm.
Oh, one just went across the sky. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh yeah, it's lightning.
Here.
Oh, you're awesome, Mom. You're the best. I love you.
Can I also...
Just roll the window down.
Oh. Keep rolling.
Hey, that's enough. Let's see. I want to see.
You gotta see the lightning.
Let me see.
Well, you could look out my window.
There's no lightning over there, Haley. You have to look out that side.
Can I at least hold my window up now?
Why is it down?
Oh, YouTube's gonna love this. Everybody's gonna love it.
I've never seen actual lightning. I've only seen it in the movie. It's one of my eyes.
Oh, dude, everybody's gonna love this. Oh, just give me a tornado to drop right out of that.
No, it was all die.
Well, depending on what's the strength of it was. If it's a 5, we're all dead. But if it's a 0, we're fine. It'll just blow the car around. It's really hot and muggy out, so I would definitely bring in the fan out tonight, Mom. Ah, YouTube's gonna love this. Mom, turn it off. Like right here's the perfect angle. I love all this negatively charged lightning. It's awesome. The reason why I know that it's negatively charged is because it flashes in multiple flashes and doesn't.
Alright. Let's get policy.
We're going up to the cemetery currently because it's a better view and I'll stand outside up here, this cemetery. Oh my gosh, I love all this negatively charged lightning. Positively charged lightning is where it goes in one good bolt and gives multiple flickers, but negatively charged lightning is where it gives multiple flickers, but it's in the same position. Goodness, dude. This is awesome. Your turn is up here, Mom.
Mom, can you make it so I can see it too?
Well, I'll be able to see it, Haley, because we're up here on the cemetery.
Then we shot across the sky.
Alright, can I get up?
Yes.
You're awesome, Mom. I love you. Oh my gosh, there's... Holy cow, dude. Oh, this is awesome. I should probably don't stand up on the thing because that leaves me exposed to lightning. Oh yeah, it's starting to come over in our direction. Mom, can we get up higher up there?
No.
Oh,
This is fine.
dang it. Oh, I'm getting a video of it for sure. Dude, everybody's gonna want to see all this. Oh, my goodness. Oh my gosh, dude. Hey, let me wipe my camera off. I feel like it's getting it. It's getting it. Oh, that's a lot better. It's not as foggy now. Oh my goodness, dude. This is awesome. This is just a beautiful electrical storm. Haley, I want to sit right here, and if you see my hair start sticking up, tell me to get in the car. Because I do not want to be struck by lightning. Oh my goodness. Let's get some over here. Some over here too.
I got a picture of it.
Nice.
Wait, let me see.
No, I'm good. not a mosquito. That is a spider. No, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to flick it out. See ya, buddy. He's gone. He's not going to. Oh my goodness, dude. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah? Well, I'm absorbing all of the content right here. Like, oh man, this is all nice. If I get a bad gut in my feeling that something's gonna happen, that means get going, because no, I'm fine. See? I wonder what happens if you get struck by lightning. Like, death? Right, Mom? Correct, Mom? If you get struck by lightning, it's immediate death. The heck? We're fine. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'll get about 30 more seconds of content and then we'll be going. Which would be around 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh my goodness, dude. This is nice. I could probably use all this stuff for like my channel picture. Just alrighty guys, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. This is some nice erratic lightning. It's beautiful to see. You don't see this every once in a while. So yeah, absorb this, rewatch this video, send it to a buddy if they like lightning and storms. It's kind of calming down, like you're not seeing as many bolts. Well, there's a bolt, but you're not seeing as many as there originally were. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye. Alright guys, we're right in the storm. It's mainly all down here. Ooh, there's rotation. Sorry. That's gonna be a tornado. It's picking stuff up. Sorry, I should be in bed right now. I'm not. It's been 52. Night. Get hit with this, or get more. I like the tilt one better. Probably gonna get hit with it. So we're definitely gonna get hit with these. Probably might get hit with this. If you guys can hear it outside getting worse, because we're dead center of this thing. But we don't have practice tomorrow. Yeah, it's turning into a echo. See how it's turning that way? See how it's turning this way? It's gonna spin up right there. The tornado's gonna